The Masami Cattle Ranch in the rolling foothills of California raises some of the finest beef in the United States. The carefully bred herd of Wagyu cattle lives its entire life in Masami's care. Starting from birth on their open pastures, these prized animals grow on the natural grass in these hills. Then, at just the right age, they are brought in where they can be cared for more closely. And where they can benefit from a precise, traditional Japanese feeding program. This program is an all-natural regimen with a balance of grains that ensure the very best tasting beef. No added hormones or animal byproducts are ever fed to Masami cattle. Masami beef is all natural. The attention to detail and quality control does not stop there, however. Masami Foods Incorporated in Klamath Falls, Oregon, handles all the processing and packaging of Masami beef. This rare level of attention from field to table demonstrates a level of care rarely seen in other brands of beef. For more than a century and a half, Wagyu cattle have been bred for the superior flavor and texture that comes from highly marbled cuts of meat. The Japanese government has declared the Wagyu breed to be a national living treasure and has forbidden the export of any more breeding stock. In most cases, Masami beef exceeds the highest grades identified by the USDA. So beyond USDA Prime, Masami uses their own Premium, Supreme, and Platinum grades to identify the superior quality of the meat you buy. The precise care and feeding program at Masami Cattle Ranch will allow you to enjoy award-winning beef with a velvety texture and a rich, flavorful taste. For those who appreciate a truly superior cut of meat, Masami provides an exceptional culinary experience.